Hey there YouTube, it's me Nick. Today I'll be discussing the pros and cons of what I think of Windows 7, and I'll be comparing it to Windows XP and Windows 7 because 7 is Vista based, so it's practically the same thing, just in a cover-up. But first off, I'd like to make a shout out to Stockfrog. He has I asked in my previous video for ideas and he gave me an idea and I'm like, what the heck? Why not do it? So, here I am. Thanks for the ideas, keep them coming. And if it's good, I'll do a shout out. Um, so, what do I think of Windows 7? First off, I think it's really good. It runs so much better than Windows Vista. Windows Vista was a beast. I mean, like, it would eat up so much RAM. If I go to the Task Manager and click on Performance, that's not that bad. 930 megs of RAM with a screen recorder, and I'm multitasking with a virtual machine right now too, so that's not half bad. Um, when I don't have anything running and when it's just idling, it usually idles around 400 megabytes, which again is significant, and that's just amazing. I run a 32-bit system and it runs great with an AMD 2.2 processor, dual core, as you can see the two cores right here. The update interface is pretty easy. Let me search Windows Update. Well, first off, before I go into that, this search area right here, off to the side, is amazing. It's so much more responsive than Windows Vista, but yet it runs great, and it really makes the interface so much easier, and it's just so much easier, and the installation is a lot easier too. So let me go to Windows Update. The interface, I remember in Vista that the updates, it would lag a lot, and I had issues, it would crash, and this just works great. I mean, I've had no problems with this. Easy stuff. And then you click next, and then you forget about it. It does everything for you, which is awesome. So, some cons about Windows 7. I don't get why they just don't make one version. One stinking version. Nobody cares about Home Premium. Nobody cares about Professional. Nobody cares. To me, Microsoft, if you're watching this, make one version. Makes life easier. It really does. Make it one price. It's just outrageously expensive how much Ultimate is. I mean, right here, Ultimate, full version, $320. That's expensive for an operating system. And the upgrade doesn't help. Ultimate for the upgrade is $219, so $220. That's insane. I think what they should do is make one version, but yet again, they've done that with previous things. Well, previous operating systems. It just is for marketing, I guess, but I personally, one version. Let me know what you think on that. Put that down in the comments. Let me know what version you run. And also with Windows Stutter, I'm in a computer repair class, and when I repair the computers, oh, what is this? Go away, nobody cares. I lost my train of thought. Okay, in computer repair class, a lot of the problems I see also is all the computers have viruses are either running Vista or Windows 7 Stutter. Windows Vista, if you have it, just trash it. Upgrade to Windows 7. You won't regret it. It is well worth the money. Just get Home Premium. It works just fine. You can make a registry. You can do some registry editing, and you can get more features. But also, Windows 7 Stutter, it sucks. But I'm sorry, it does. You can't change your background, and I just found out today that you can change your registry, but if you change your registry to change your background, and then you do a Windows update, the update is corrupt, and you get a black screen of death, which is not good. So off of that note, I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to fire up my XP machine and I'll tell you what I think of that. Alright, here with my 7 machine. I have Novell on here. I'm trying to learn how to use it for school. So, I don't know. It's really hard. If you guys have know any place where I can learn how to use Novell, let me know. That would be deeply appreciated. Alright, so I have Windows XP up. Also something I just thought of and I'd like to throw out there. Windows 7, the compatibility has issues. I've noticed that a lot. They only have to run an XP on an XP mode or whatever. I don't know. It's just one of those things. But I don't know. I wish that 7 was more XP based as well, because so many companies still use XP. So yeah, here's my XP machine, virtual machine, of course. Some pros about XP. Pros about XP is very stable. It runs at nothing. So I'll show you my processes. 104 megs of RAM. Oh, that's what it's running at. How amazing is that? I'm using a 2.2. I put this as a single core on the virtual machine. 2% idling. That's amazing. The interface on here is really well. Some pros about it is it's just I can't get over how stable it is. You can do anything to it, and it's just so stable. Cons, doesn't have a recovery partition. That didn't come with it. Where in Windows 7 you have a recovery partition. What else? You don't have the search down here, but you can search it the hard way. You should know what you want anyway before you get to it. And I don't know. They're both really good operating systems. It's hard to pick and choose because at school I use XP, at home I use 7. And they're both really, really good. But overall, I would have to say Windows 7 is better because it can do more. Because the major back down with me, what I don't like about XP one bit is drivers. Whenever you have to reinstall drivers, you have to find each driver at the website. Where 7, see, I'm still missing drivers. I just, where if I go to my 7 machine and I do right click my computer properties, device manager, oh, my mouse is flickering, drivers, it automatically finds the drivers for you, and if it doesn't have them, it will download them. Now these, it won't find them all. I don't know what those are, and I really don't care because I haven't run into the problem yet. And I think I might have disabled my mic on my laptop. It's the built-in because I got tired of it being default. But it finds some of the drivers I won't find, but it finds 90% of them. Where in XP you have to find every single stinking driver, which sucks. So, but it runs great. It's very stable. Sadly though, it is going out of date. I don't know why. I don't know what Microsoft was thinking of making this obsolete next year, but they are. So, if you have any ideas, please let me know on videos. Tell me what you think of these videos and tell me what you think of your operating system. I'm kind of curious. But yet again, if you have any suggestions on videos, please let me know. And I will definitely try to make more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks, and I hope you have an amazing day.